So the lesson in here that I want to say to you that first, when I work with new client, I always number one key important that I listen to them. Just let them talk. Just take time, let them talk whatever they want to say. Let them say everything. And that's what I listen to them. When I listen to my client and I know that what they struggle with, and I will draw the big picture for her to say that, okay, with your hair like this, if you don't want brushy, you don't want to see that harsh line, so this is what I do for you. I explain everything to her. When the way I explain, the way I say to her, it makes she feel trust, because she believes, she trusts me, because she know, she feel that what I know and I know what I'm saying. At that point, she happy to pay with the price which is she doesn't expect that price. But when I say in it and I give her the result, that's what she wants. So she happy with that. And she say, okay, I will be back. So which means, and here's what I say with the way I do with the technique, the way I connect with the end, and the way I blend with her natural color. I don't put the color like people always put the smurdy whatever on the root. I don't like that way, because when I remember I did in the past, when I put that on, after about when the client coming back, I always see the band, the brushy in here. So that's why I do not like it. So I use the natural hair of my client, and I do that to give the contrast. And then that it looks so nice, and every single hair I do it just look beautiful, and client come back every 3-6 months, the hair is still look nice and natural and no brushy. So that's what I like that way. So that's what I want to share with you, this for you to know that you can increase price with the way you explain to client that clearly. Listen to client, number one, explain clearly before you do. And also, here's the thing, if you don't know, you're not confident, or you don't know about that, learn about that. So like for example, let's say that you do with the color correction, how to correct the band of that with the brushing. You don't know about that, just research and learn about it, how to take away that part. So I had the special course that to help you, to teach you how to do with the color correction. If you really want to learn how to turn like brushy hair, go to clean blonde in one visit. Just the DM or comment below and say, I want. Just say, I want. Then I will send you the special with the checklist how to do with the color correction. And after that, if you really want to go further, you need my help, I will share with you. I will help you with, okay? So that's what I share with you, that for you to understand, to increase income, to increase price, whatever you want. That listen to client is the key, and then explain everything before you do. Then if you don't know about that, go to learn about that. When you learn about that, you confident about that, you confident to increase price without any fear. All right, hope that helped.